Developing custom audio plugins for Adobe Audition and have an FDK file? This is part of the filter development kit for creating custom audio effects. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain these Adobe Audition filter development kit files. My experience tells me that some FDK files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. An FDK file is a component used by Adobe Audition, a professional audio editor. It contains function descriptions that allow the software to interface with third-party audio filters and effects. Users typically encounter this file when installing or developing custom plugins to extend Audition's capabilities. The FDK file is a text-based or binary resource file structured according to Adobe's filter development kit specifications. It acts as a manifest or bridge, defining the parameters, inputs, and outputs of an external filter DLL, enabling seamless integration into the Adobe Audition effects rack. The tool most commonly used for creating FDK files is Adobe Audition by Adobe Systems Incorporated. Windows needs confirmation from specialized software for safe data access. Windows may identify the file, but interpreting the plugin requires a specific supporting application. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the FDK file and choose Open With. Start with Adobe Audition if available. If not, select another application from the list. If the FDK file still will not open, there is no need to stress. If your FDK file is still uncooperative, the time for guessing is over. Let's test these primary failure points immediately to confirm the source. First, opening in Development IDE. Open FDK files in Visual Studio or your preferred C++ development environment. The files typically contain source code or header definitions for plugin development. Set up an Audition plugin project using the FDK as a reference for proper API integration with Adobe's audio processing framework. Next, reviewing with Text Editor. For FDK files containing text source code documentation or specifications open in any text editor for inspection. Review API definitions, function signatures, and example implementations to understand how to develop custom Audition plugins. The files provide essential reference material for plugin developers. Finally, following Adobe documentation. Consult Adobe's developer documentation for Audition plugin development. The FDK files complement official documentation explaining the audio plugin architecture, API usage, and best practices. Adobe provides developer resources at developer.adobe.com, supporting Audition plugin creation efforts. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagick. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at FileMagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.